In this video, I'll show you how to turn any sketch or logo into a high quality 3D render in just seconds using logodiffusion.com. First, I'll sketch a concept and transform it into a professional logo. Then I'll take it to the next level, turning it into a stunning 3D render in various styles. It's super fast, super easy, and the results are mind-blowing. Stay till the end, it's gonna be a fun ride. Hi everyone, it is Guga from Logo Diffusion. Today I'm excited to show you some of our really powerful features. But before we jump into creating stunning 3D images, first I'll design a vector I have in mind. First, let's click on Image to Image workspace. Let's go with Mascot and I'm gonna click the sketching editor. Let's choose the color. I'm gonna go with black. I'm gonna make pen not so thick. I want it to be pretty thin actually. This one looks pretty good. I'm gonna start sketching the monster I have in mind. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's the beauty of Logo Diffusion. You don't have to make masterpiece. So I'm gonna sketch very rough monster. There we go. I'll add horns. Let's make him a happy face. I'm gonna draw hands. I'm gonna draw full body, this is what I have in mind. Let's give it a tiny tail, and this looks very rough, but it is not a problem. In style settings, I'm gonna choose detailed and let's go with full body. Let's keep the image strength to 7, which means that it's gonna be pretty close to the sketch. Let's also describe what we want. I'm looking for a green, furry monster, scaring posture. Let's go with sharp nails, happy face, and open mouth. That's pretty good for now. I'm gonna choose green as a primary color and let's hit generate. And there is our results. Well, this is exactly what I was looking for. The first and the second one look the best to me, and I'm probably gonna go with the second one. Let's click the image and compare it to our sketch. It is very close as you see because the image strength was set to 7, so it should be close. Now let's choose the new logo as the input image. But before I go to the 3D part, I really want to vectorize this mascot logo and show you how it works. To do that, click Vectorize Image. Then click Vectorize. And as you see, it vectorized the file. Before I download it and show you in Illustrator, I just want to show you here the difference. As you see, it is vectorized, so it's not gonna lose any quality. Now let's download the SVG because I want to show you the file in Illustrator. So the vector file is really high quality and the shapes are very smooth and they are separated, which makes it really easy to work with. I think it's time to turn our mascot logo realistic. To do that, I'm gonna choose realistic in style categories and choose hyper-realism. I'm gonna keep everything the same. I'm just gonna turn on use the image colors so it takes the colors from the reference image. Let's keep the prompt how it is right now and hit generate. Okay, as you see, we got some really impressive results. All of them are really good. There might be tiny imperfections. It is AI, it is still learning, but it's nothing major. Let's click and compare it to the original image. It is very close. Image strength was set to 5, so it should be pretty close. Anything from 5 to 10 should be very close. I'm really happy with the result, but let's have some more fun. I'm gonna drop him in the jungles. So in the prompt, I'm gonna say standing in the jungle. I'm also gonna add exotic flowers. And from hyperrealism, I'm gonna change it to cinematic. I'm gonna choose the new image as the input image and let's hit generate. And we got some amazing results. You can always increase the image colors to really get exactly what you have in Sketch, but it's not a problem for me. Okay, the jungle is very impressive, but let's have some more fun. Let's try other styles. For the next one, I'm gonna change it to this futuristic style. Let's also change the prompt to really match the style. So I'm gonna say standing in a futuristic city instead of the jungle. I'm also gonna remove the colors because I don't want it to be green. And let's hit generate. And there is our results. So changing the style depending on what you want is definitely the way to go. Okay, let's choose the most complicated one, which is probably jungle, and I'm gonna show you the upscale tool we have, which is pretty amazing. Click the image, then click the upscale. I'm gonna set optimize for realistic, and let's keep creativity to around 4, which means it's gonna be pretty close to the actual image, which is what I'm looking for. I don't want it to add too much stuff, birds maybe, too much flowers, so keeping it to around 4 or 5 is exactly what I'm looking for. And there is our upscaled version. As you see, it is very high quality. You can see each hair string, you can see reflections in the eyes, wetness near the nose. It understands basically everything. Shadows, grass, jungle, everything is balanced and perfectly matched together. And that's how easy it is to turn any sketch or logo into a stunning 3D render with AI. This was all created using Logo Diffusion V4, and trust me, there is a lot more exciting content and updates coming very soon. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned so you don't miss any of our new features and videos coming your way.